Good evening, Patna Sahib Singh Pathsala. Today is Friday, and I am Dr. Anurag Manna from Anugrah Narayan Magad Medical College. Today we have another set of 5 questions belonging to Ancient Indian History, chapter number 5. Kindly solve these questions, and that is the basis of your preparation. And let us start with the questions of the day. 15th September 2023, Patna Sahib Singh Pathsala, Friday. Ancient Indian History, chapter number 5. Question number 1. Man first appeared in which part of the world? A. Africa. B. South America. C. Australia. D. Europe. Question number 2. Chota Nagpur Plateau, Kurnool district and Belan Valley are related to Paleolithic tools, Mesolithic tools, prehistoric art, Neolithic tools. Question number 3. Microliths are characteristic tools of the A. Mesolithic age, B. Neolithic age, C. Paleolithic age, D. All of the above. Question number 4. Bone tools have been found in A. Burjahom, B. Belan Valley, C. Chota Nagpur Plateau, D. Kurnool district. Question number 5. Earliest farming communities belong to A. Paleolithic age, B. Mesolithic age, C. Neolithic age, D. Prehistoric period. So these are the 5 questions, and once again I would like to emphasize the importance of solving these questions, because the basis of your preparation is solving as much questions as much possible, because a questioning mind is the mind which receives the maximum knowledge and that generates the maximum understanding. Lack of full information creates confusion, and abundance of information allows us to synthesize the correct answer. So the very purpose of framing these questions, you have noticed that I have written these questions from my pen itself, and I never give a printed question like that. Why? It is not that because I am lethargic or that kind of person who is not able to take pain in life. No, I am not that kind of person. I took much pain every day while serving my patients and my unit. The very reason that why I write questions from my pain and present it as such, because that will motivate you to go down to the pages and pen and textbooks. Mobile and all the electronic media cannot replace the reading a textbook and cannot replace your hard work. This should be very clear, and more simpler you will be in your day-to-day activity, more successful you will be on a daily basis, because success is not something which you gain all of a sudden. It is a process, and certain activities doing every day, that is the process of success. So solve these questions, and in case you are not able to solve it correctly, solve this question, search the correct answer from textbook, and in that process you will develop the understanding of the topics, and once you have the clear understanding of the topics, you can easily analyze the topics while you will be writing your main examination. And today is the main examination starting day for year 2023. Next year from 20th September you people have to write your mains examination. So be prepared. These questions are not only method of solving multiple choice questions, but they can also be the basis of your learning for writing your main examination answers. So solve these questions and deserve. I believe deserving is the best way to achieve success, and doing certain activities on a regular basis makes us really deserving. So good luck and go ahead, and I hope all of my students will write written examination next year, and all of them will find a place in the final list of selected candidates in civil services. Jai Patna Sahib Singh Pathsala, Jai Patna, Jai Bihar, Jai India.